Macaws are a group of brightly colored parrots, originating from Central and South America. These remarkable birds are known for their striking plumage, large size, and intelligent behavior. Macaws belong to the Psittacidae family, and there are 19 species of macaws in total. Their vibrant feathers come in a variety of colors, including blue, red, yellow, and green, each species having its unique color pattern. Macaws have a large beak, which is adapted for cracking nuts and seeds, their primary food source. They are also known for their ability to fly long distances, with some species traveling up to 60 miles a day in search of food. Macaws are social birds and live in flocks, often roosting together at night. Their loud, distinctive calls are a common feature of the tropical rainforests where they live. Macaws play a vital role in maintaining the health of their environment. They disperse seeds from the fruits they eat, helping to regenerate the rainforest. Macaws are also known for their intelligence and ability to learn and mimic human speech. In captivity, they can live for over 60 years, making them a long-term commitment for bird enthusiasts. Unfortunately, many macaw species are endangered due to habitat loss and poaching for the pet trade. Conservation efforts are underway to protect these beautiful birds and their habitats. So, next time you see a macaw, remember that you're looking at one of the most intelligent, colorful, and vital creatures in the bird kingdom. Whether in the wild or in a zoo, enjoy the spectacle of these captivating creatures.